guys, ni ari na mi dapit diri sa naong guys. Ayan. Unsa ning lubihan ani mga kuwate? Ani mga buong unod ni uban ani? Look at that guys, so daghang king coconut has. So naabot na ta diri guys, did in sa kuan. Galas. Look at that. Oh, diba? Ayan. Alaka! Oh my God! Lagi ko sa kay, no? Oh, see? So, nanguha sila, oh. Ay, Diyos ko! Goodness. Kanaon, kahuyon ba, no? Kahuyon? Sorry ni Diri, oh. Sila diri mga taluban. Oops. Look at that. That's the big waves. So, ang katong nakita na to ganina dato guys. Oh, so, ang mga cottage, ayan, tanawa ang mga cottage. Look at the coconut tree. Oops. So, getting the coconut and there. Daw unod siya. Diba nangari kita dire oh. Nagbabalita. So that's the last. Ala, naguba siya guys. Oh my God. Taptan ta. Kiyat pa more. Ano ba yung susog si Pesyo guys. Oh, see? Laag pa dire. Guys, makusog siya kalit guys, as in. Ayan oh. Oh my God. See? Oh. So mga 9:30 na ron goro. Oh. Ayan. That's so strong. See, sometimes the sea is nice to see, but yeah, look. Yan. Naparog bato ah. Ito siya bato. See, nagbaha na siya guys. Actually, we are used to have a flood. We are used to have a flood there when we're in the river, in the mountain. Strong flood po guys. Ayan, diri po sa dagat oh, strong flood po diri. And it's my very first time. I'm already 24 years here in Dipolog City. Because we are here year 2000 ni diri guys. Diri sa Galas, Dipolog City, and now 2024 my first time to see one because I just come here and watch like this. That really very strong waves. Oh my God! Abot siya diri look at the cottage. Imagine that. Imagine that. So, mga cottage, we transfer there. And if the weather is calm, we will put that here, guys. Shugayu, look at the woods. Oh, na-transfer siya diha, guys. Suga, asin. Oh, Guba na? My God. Kapak-kapak yun siya, guys. Oh my God. Look at that. Oh. Wow. Oh. Nice. Sa kana. Working to suga. Oh, ano ang mga words? Ulong. Oh, ang kahoy. Wala. Oh, ang kahoy. Grabe. Wow. Ah. Kapag siya nag-stop. See? Sira rin siya, guys. Yeah, look at that. Grabe, gid siya. May kusog gid siya mga 10 a.m. guys. Oh my God. Oh. Nata na ang woods ito. Look at that. Working Kusuga. Grabe gid siya kakusubron ay. Hello, my God. Ngisog siya kayo ang dagat. Hmm? Grabe. Nana siya guys. First time na. Wala ka, my goodness. Oh my God. Abuton man ang tadaan eh. Button ko diri guys. Na dito ako. Na dito coconut. So, imagine all the seaman worker guys really facing the waves like that. Oh, very strong waves. Those seafarer, those who are working in the boat, my god, they really encounter the waves like that, guys. So it's not easy the work of the seafarer, mga cruise ship. Nasa cruise ship. Ayan o, paano na siya? Ano? Grabe. Grabe ang gano'n. Tapos yung airplane. O, Cebu Pacific. Nice to live near the sea, but if there's a typhoon, my god, so scary. Oh my god, look at that. Oops. Abot na ta diri guys, abot na ta diri. Ini maguba dia yang kuan wall, sea wall. Grabe kayo maguba. Pudra ko diri guys. Na sila Inday diri. May pudra ko diri ay. So don't worry, I'm okay there. Problem. I'm fine. Really watching these waves because that September 16, 2024. Grabe gito guys. Kusog dyan guys siya sa kapanan dire. Grabe siya. Nakawid ako dire. Ayan. Nagbabalita. Products TV. Nakawid ko sa Talisay 3. We will try to wait mga 10 sa oras. So, 9:25 pa pala guys. So, mga 10 a.m. Oops! Oh. Mga 10 a.m. Kusoguro kayo siya. Yan ang mga basura. Plastics, coconut husks, bottles. So yeah, that's what happened. Yan na siya madalag surfing. Not good for surfing ang water guys. Like, It's strong current. Oh, gaganda to. Grabe ang balon. Long time ago when we were children, we're really passive and it flood because we're going to the school. It's flooding. Oh my god. We are really lucky also that we're near in the water, river, sea. We swim. It's near only. So, nakadagan yung ko ganina guys kay ang tubig ni abot siya diri. Oh look at that. Si sir diha oh, taga diri na, taga baybay kala. Kusog pagyapon siya at this time, mga 10 daw kusog sa mo, but at not yet 10 in the morning, nearly 10 na, kusog pa siya. The person who live here, they get a coconut and they'll see na. Tanaw na to. Nayang gilanda. Gilanda na ni mo diha, sir? Tawa yung gilanda. Oh. Landahan na gamay. Nakatimbang nakaog. Ala, nauga na ni siya. Nao. Patimbang na na, sir. Butangan pa na ni mo kalayo daghan? See? So, it's 30 daw. They sell around mga 3,000 piso daw guys sa coconut. So, they get the coconut one and they will sell it after they cook the coconut. So, yan. Yeah. The other person daw, they sell 900 pesos. Kay 40 per kilo, 42 per kilo na ang coconut around. So, I'm still watching here. Cottage. Naka-standby nilang mga cottages nila. Ayan ang mga woods. So, they will make that on firewood. Mga fishing boat. Ayan. So, I'm sitting here guys. And yeah, yan ang balita natin diri sa Baybay Cat. So to those who want firewood, makakita sila mga firewood dito guys. Not raining, it's not strong wind. Yesterday it's really strong wind. That's the difficulty, strong wind. Oh, it's cloudy na guys. I think it will rain cloudy. So mga 10, maabot na kita mga tubig dito guys. Ayan si sir nag-watches sa waves. Yun. Close store. Nag-close na sa store karon kay we are watching the waves. Ibalita ko dito guys. Maritis ko dito. So, but dito dapita. Ayan. Dito puso. More coconuts. So, pabalod. Ayan o, ilang firewoods diri guys o. Kanti lang firewoods. Wala, naguba na cottage ito. Ayan ang mga houses diri guys. Near the sea. Patong nakusad ko diri. Oops. Kusog-kusog. See. Guys, naku. Tanawa. Kasi na tayo. Hala ko. Sana. Baka na yun. Hala. Wait. Look at that. See, nasaka ng tubig. Oh. Let's just napit. Isa habon. Nagpatong po woods. Hindi patungan. Tara! Natuya-tuya ang woods. Diba? Wala, nalingaw lang pagtanaw sa weights guys. Mananaw tag weights. Let's see. That's the foundation of this Dallas Beach Resort. Dallas Beach. Wala, burag kaulan na siguro. Muli na siguro ko ano guys. Burag we will open the store na. Because I think it will rain. I will not wait na 10:30 because they say 10:30 daw it's strong. More strong the water. But yeah, it looks like it will rain. Yan lang. Yan ang condition sa Kalatagan. Ay, patong pag-ibig. Oh, that's very strong. We'll try one again. A very strong one. Look at that. Look. Diri dapit guys, oh, pero kusog dira dapit daw. Diba na ginahilahang kuwan dira oh. Wall, seawall. Oops! Good. That's strong. Honey, kusog na. Oh my God. Look at that, guys. Yun na si sir na mga siyang coconut. Nakasell na sila. Coconut and woods, we get that one for woods for firewoods. Oops. Oh, look at that. Kusog mong siya kayo, sir, oh. Kusog siya kayo, no? Grabe gid yung hangkuan. Dagan! Dagan! Dagan din, guys. Kaya naman. Kusog yun siya. Oops. Look at that. Oh. No. Dira ni dire. Dira ni maabot 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 Basin mo walis? Oh my God. That's so strong. Oh no. Susuga dong. Oh, working susuga. Guys, tanawa. Nasira na ang Moldiana. 10:20 na guys. Dagan! Dagan! Hala! My God! Oh, my goodness! Yan, saka gid siya.
Dito, Bek. Dito tayo na, Bek. Dito tayo na dito. Kamu tulihanin.
Oh my God! Hala! Hala! Oh no! Hala ka! Oh my God! Ay, yung bata. It's sunny na guys. It's a little rain but it's sunny so that's still big waves over there. Already 10:30 guys. And still strong waves. Yan, may mga dumating na watch. Damage na. Yan, there's a damage over there. Damage siya. Yan, still collecting coconut and woods. My God. Somebody's coming here, there. Swimming na sila guys. Swimming. It's strong waves. Swimming sila. Na. Walay gidapat. Kaiso ba ng dagata? Sila kita na. Isa na kaiso. Kao na tao guys. Ayan, let's go home na guys. Let's go home. So, nag-standby ko that time yung beach. This one is Jagis Beach. Ayan. Wala naman yung nag-function. Function pa ba na guys? So, that's the place here. And then from there, we are set. Kana guys, for sale na siya guys. 14 million pesos. Imagine that. 14 million near the sea. Kuhanin siya. 2,889 square meter. 5,000 per square meter din siya guys. Yan. So for sale ni. Tapos yan ang dagat. That's the sea. You can see the sea. Oh, diba? No, na baka dahil diha guys. So. Check daw na to be curious ko ba? Curious. Let's check this side. We will see. So, if you buy this land, yan. If you buy that, you just very close to the sea. But that's so expensive. Yan ang water dito. Lock. Dito. Yan na siya mag-overflow guys. Na siyang tubig. Na siya mag-overflow. Tanaw ganina. Tara. Ayan. Sukusukay siya. Oh! Ayan. So, it's like that there in the boulevard also. 8 other friends. Mga cover. Guys, so yan ang for sale na land over there. 2,889 square meter. Oh, look at that. So kay this side, wala naman din nagdula dito. Gosh, guys. So, let's go na. That's all na hato ang kuan guys. Balitak taas sa tayo kung balitak. That's the talisay tree. Look at the cow. Nag-relax ang mga cow there. Oh. Wala ra sila. Magwapa kay ang mga cow guys. Ayan. Bye bye. Thanks for watching guys. Relax QB. See you next time.